In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an image and have it linked to a PDF. This is a nice tool to use when you want to add some newsletters to your website or maybe some sales PDFs that you've done. So we're going to start by going into Pages. So Content and then Pages. And then we're going to search for the page we want to do this on. So I think we're going to do maybe Sales and click Search. So we have this page here called Sales Flyer. I'm going to go ahead and click Contents. We're going to just clean this up a bit. So remove that one. Remove that module. We're going to edit this module here. So that's the HTML module. That's what we're going to do. So anytime you want to add an image or some text, you want to use the HTML module. So we're going to remove all the content that's there. And we're going to do this via a table. So from all these icons across the top, there's this one here, it says Table. We're going to insert that. We are going to think of rows and columns if you're familiar with Excel. Rows are horizontal and the columns are vertical. So we'll leave it at 3 rows per now, and we're going to do 3 columns. We're going to do a no border, and we're going to change the width to 100%. And that should be good. Go ahead and click OK. Okay, so now we have you can see it in light gray lines, you have your table. So I'm going to click into the first cell here. And I'm going to click the Image Properties button. So this is the option you want to use if you ever want to upload just a JPEG or PNG, something like that. So go ahead and click this button. You'll get this pop-up where it would normally show you a preview. We're going to do Browse Server because I need to upload the image to my server. So here's all the images that are already here. You can think of this as like your FTP area. Then do Choose File, and then you'll navigate to on your computer to where you have these files. So here we'll do this automotive JPEG. So first I'm going to do the JPEG. You can see I have each version as a JPEG and a PDF. So the first one, I'm going to go ahead and double click on that one. Now click Upload. It's now added it to the list. And it's right there. So the automotive one is what we uploaded. So I'll go ahead and click that. And I can play with the size. So right now it's the width. The standard size of the image I uploaded is 300 width. Let's try 200 and see how that looks. We'll go ahead and click OK. Okay, and you can see it shifts over the tables, but you can see the tables are still there. You can also make this a little bit larger by scrolling it there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make this centered. So if you just click next to the image like I have there, my cursor is active, you can see it blinking. I'm going to click this Center Justify. So it's going to center it within that cell. I'm also going to click the Enter key, and then I can type something in below that. So if I want to say something like that, something descriptive. You can also style it. So if you want to make it a bit larger, you can go to font size and maybe do 14. You can also change to bold if you want to, or underline it, all those different options. Change the color. We're going to leave that right there. Next, I'm going to link the PDF. So I'm going to click on the image to select it, and then you're going to click the link button. So this looks like this little chain link. I'll go ahead and click that. And that brings me to this. So if I have a URL, if I just want it to go to a URL, I just enter that URL here. But a file, you're going to want to upload the file. So same thing with the image. We're going to do Browse Server. This time it takes us into the file area of your uploaded files, whereas you also have the images. But we're going to do File because it's going to be a PDF. So we'll do Choose File. And this time for the automotive, I'm going to select the PDF. And double click. And upload. And this could take a little bit. It's a larger file. All right, so now I'll go ahead and click on it. And now it will link to that PDF. One thing that's nice, if you're linking to a PDF or an external URL, it's good to do new window from Target. So you go to Target and do new window. That'll open it up in a brand new window, and you won't lose the customer on your site. Okay, so go ahead and click OK. And so that one's done. So now we'll do the next one. So you can see here, sometimes clicking into the cells, because it does shift everything over when you do your first one. But you can click into here. As you can see, my active cursor is now in the third one. Now my active cursor is in the second one. So you can just click into there. And now I'm going to upload the next one. So click the Image Properties button again, do Browse Server, and choose File. This time we'll do knitcaps. So I'll select the knitcaps JPEG, double click, and click Upload. And now it's in the list, and I'll click on it. And do the same size, just keep it all nice and standard looking. And click OK. And again, with the cursor next to the image, you can see a blink in there. I'm going to click Enter. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and center it. So I centered this one as well, and I'm going to go ahead and click Enter. And you can write something like right there. Again, we'll change the size like we did for the other one to 14, and on to our next one. So you can see here it's kind of small, but you can still click into it. So you're going to click into that cell. So you can see I just click in it, and now I can see my active cursor is blinking. Okay, so I'm going to click the Image Properties button again. Browse Server. Again, choose File. And we do the Liquid Infusers. Want the JPEG version, so double click. Click Upload. It's added to the list. We'll just click that one. And again, just to keep it standard, we're going to do 200. Click OK. And center justify. And then click Enter. And then I'm going to give it the description. Okay, so we need to go back to this one and make sure we link this one. So the knitcap blowout, I'm just going to click on it. Click the little chain link. And again, Browse Server. Choose File. Double click the PDF. Upload. And then we click on the PDF. And again, we're going to go to the Target tab and make sure we do New Window. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click OK now. And we're going to do the same thing for the Liquid Infusers PDF. So click on the JPEG. Click the little Add Link button. And then Browse Server. Choose File. And there's the Liquid Infusers PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and double click that. And click Upload. And it's added to my list, and all I have to do is click on it. Brings it back, and again, like we did for the other two, we're going to go to the Target tab here and do New Window, so that it opens up in a new window. Click OK. And just correct our spelling. Now, what you can also do is if you want to do the text as well, so we're going to do 14 like we did on the other ones for the text. With it selected, I can link that as well to the PDF, so you can't, and not just limited to images. But again, we're going to do Browse Server. This time it's already there. That's the Liquid Infuser, so I'm going to click on that PDF. And again, Target, New Window, and click OK. Okay, so we've done those three. So I think that's pretty good for now. So what we're going to do now is save this. And it's nice that you can, if you want to add more in the future, you have your tables here. These additional cells won't show on the front end because we don't have any borders or anything like that. So it should look nice and clean and easy for us to come in back in the future and add more. So I'll click Save. And then at the top right, you're going to click Publish. Okay, so we've created that. Now I'm going to go to the front end of the website. Click View Site. And right here is the sales flyer link. So I'm going to click that and check out what we've done. So there we can go. So we have our 3 just already styled like that within the table. Nice and easy. And if we click on any of them, you'll see it opens up the PDF so that it downloads the PDF so that the end user can view it. So again, that's how you can link images and link text to PDF so that they open, and also a nice little tool on creating tables to nicely display images